Background of the study. Plastic is one of the most popular and useful materials of modern times. We now use about 20 times more plastic than we did 50 years ago. Its popularity and widespread use is why handling it responsibly and correctly once it becomes waste is so vitally important. We can optimize the lifespan of plastic bottles by reusing and recycling items as many times as possible. Some benefit of recycling a plastic bottle are conserve non-renewable fossil fuels, reduce the consumption of energy used in the production of new plastic, reduce the amount of solid waste going to landfill, reduce emission gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So, to address these challenges and problems, we, the researchers, desire an attempt to modify the developed innovative garbage collector raft using recycled plastic bottles in Bayog Island, Iligan City, which can be used in collecting trashes thrown in the water. Not only is this raft cost-friendly, but it is also good for the environment since we are cleaning the coastal environment and at the same time instilling a culture of saving plastic bottles, saving Mother Earth, reusing plastic waste to save money also. The items that would otherwise be trash with no chance to ever get recycled could serve as a precious resource, and instead of people throwing their used plastic bottles, they can compile them and recycle it into something valuable and sustainable. Moving to the statement of the problem. In the statement of the problem, the researchers seek to discover and find out if recycled plastic bottles can really be used as an effective garbage collector raft. The researchers are trying to seek the following. Number 1, how much weight can the garbage collector raft withstand? Number 2, is the developed and modified garbage collector raft sustainable and essential for the conservation for the environment? Number 3, how effective is the modification of a garbage collector raft in terms of durability, strength, and structure?
My name is Rene Alder. I'm going to discuss about the research objective and the significance of this study.
The research objective is this study aims to modify an innovative garbage collector raft using the recycled plastic bottles in Bayog Island in Iligan City, which was the most second affected barangay during the Bagong Sindong. The following are the specific objectives of this study. First is to construct and modify garbage collectors raft of the recycled plastic bottles. Second, to examine and evaluate the efficacy and quality of the garbage collector raft. Third is to promote sustainable recycling of plastic for the environment. The significance of this study. The result of this study is beneficial to the residents of the community since these recycled vehicles aim to reduce the garbage and trashes being thrown into rivers, lakes, or ocean that could lead to vital impact on the water pollution. This product will serve as life-saving, affordable, sustainable, and eco-friendly instrument as it removes the full load of waste debris on the water bodies which are one of the cause in flooding.
This is Norhana Marhum from Grade 12 STEM Chi Group 5. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the theoretical framework and conceptual framework of our research. So first, the theoretical framework. Diffusion of innovative theories. The diffusion of innovative theory is originated in communication to explain how over time our product gains momentum and diffuses through a specific population or social system. The end result of this diffusion is that people as part of social system adopt a new idea, behavior, or product. Next, the limitation of diffusion of innovative theory. This diffusion of innovative theory is used to accelerate the adaptation of important public health program that typically aims to change the behavior of social system, evolving the theory of waste management. The theory of waste management as differentiate from waste management practice and contain conceptual analysis of waste. According to the waste management theory is founded on the expectation that waste management is to prevent waste causing harm to the human health and the environment. So in the conceptual framework, there is 3 tables, which is the input, the process, and the output. Those 3 tables are show the systematic model of the study, where is illustrate the 3 major part of our research, which are the input, process, and output. In the first table, the designing and developing the innovative garbage collector raft are the input. When the designing and developing of the rescue boat has made assessment of the quality, efficiency, and sustainability of the product is to be followed, which is stated under the process and the second table of the research table. So questionnaires and statistical analysis to come up with a result. Afterward, the modified garbage collector raft with the use of recycled plastic bottle will undergo the validation process by the advertised and panel member to evaluate the efficiency and sustainability of the output.
Good morning, teachers, and let's talk about scope and limitation. This study is primarily focused on the modification of garbage collector raft using recycled plastic bottles. The design of the garbage collector raft prototype is developed as a manually operated raft that is made of plastic bottles, which are all the same sizes and shapes. The plastic bottles that were used are all 600 pieces of 1.5 liters of Coke and Sprite. The raft was tested by researchers in order to prove its usability. After ensuring the efficacy and usability of the raft, the study is conducted to the 25 respondents.
Definition of terms. For the sole purpose of clarification, the significant terms used in this study are defined. The following terms are:
My name is Al-Rafi Said Mumin. So, review of related literature. So, this study provides information to the proponent that their proposed study has similarities with other systems which are widely used. As stated, the items that would otherwise be trashed with no chance to get over recycled could serve as the precious resource. Here we briefly set recycling into context along with other waste reduction strategies, namely reduction in material use through down gouching or product reuse.
The use of alternative biodegradable materials and recycled plastic bottles as a rescue boat. From the mentioned studies and literature, it should be concluded that the use of this project not only helps the settlers in a flood-prone area, but as well as the saving environment from the plastic waste that are generated. In modifying the innovatively developed rescue boat using recycled plastic bottles, it should be expected that the product will be beneficial to the residents, community, and to the environment.
Subjects of the study. So the respondents that participated in this study were the barangay officials of Baldulaya and Mahayahay, which were 2 barangay captains and 9 barangay councilors, with a total of 11 barangay officials. And the researchers also conducted a survey to the members of the Fisher Folks Association, with a total of 14 members.
The members of the Fisher Folks Association will serve as the experts who will assess and evaluate the product, which is the garbage collector raft, since the researchers believe that they are qualified to be the experts who will give their feedbacks and opinions. And
research design. So this study uses descriptive, quantitative, and experimental method as the research method of the study. The survey method was conducted since the researchers only used sample population who served as the respondents of the study.
this method is used to generate data based on the perceptions and evaluations of the respondents, depending on the type of needed information covered.
Data gathering procedures. The researchers should secure the approval of their subject teacher to consider the subject or topic as a research proposal.
The researchers will consider the suggestions that is given by the panel during the proposal defense. Next is the researchers should gather data through distributing of questionnaire and should present the survey result using a tabular form. The researchers will give the findings, conclusions, and recommendations based on the data. And use. The main instrument of the study is through the use of survey questionnaire as a tool of collecting data. The researchers use research-made questionnaire to... There are only a set of questionnaire containing 15 questions were given. The respondents were asked to assess and evaluate the efficacy of the garbage collector raft of the areas of concern using the yes, no, and maybe, and the 5-point scale. Chapter 4. In this chapter, we're going to discuss the results of the research that was made by the researchers. In this discussion, there are 3 phases. The first one is the phase 1. Gather all the waste materials, just like bottles, nylon, and the fishnet. and also the bamboo. Phase 2. In this phase, all the gathered materials were going to be constructed by the researchers, and phase 3, in this phase, it was going to be tested in a specific place. As you can see in the table below, there are 6 people who tested the rock. The first person was weighed 48 kilograms, second 50 kilograms, third person will be 55 kilograms, the fourth person 92 kilograms, fifth 78 kilograms, and the sixth will be 71 kilograms. All the weight was total 392 kilograms.
So for the chapter 4 results and discussion, for the table 2.0, show the above responses from the respondents for each of the table's aspects. The information collected through this questionnaire was used to supplement the results of the survey.
This questionnaire was provided to a total of 25 people in this sample, 14 of whom were members of the Fisher Folk Association and 11 of whom were barangay officials from Obaldolaya and Mayay. And for the table 3.0, as a result, the answers to this questionnaire were used to assess 3 separate raft classifications. The 3 different characteristics relating to the raft: longevity, strength, and structure, which are the most important factors to consider when determining the raft effectiveness. The experimental group 25 participants were the only ones who received this questionnaire. The researchers were interested in learning how these objects rated the 3 characteristics listed above. Since subjects of the study were unable to test the raft themselves and offer their opinions, the researchers showed the respondents pictures, videos taken during the testing of the raft in order for them to give their opinions.
Chapter 5. Summary of findings, conclusions, and recommendations. So in this chapter, we talk all about the conclusions. So we conclude that the findings of this study on the modifications of an innovative garbage collector raft using recycled plastic bottles in Bayog Island in Iligan City, as described. So we conclude that the purpose of this research studies
helps or improves our ocean and could lessen the ocean pollution. So in this part, these are our recommendations. So 1 is enhance. So we recommend that we should enhance the garbage collector so it would be improvised and can carry a lot of garbages. So 2, develop. So we should develop a machine draft that has a bigger size or automatically collects trashes, so it would be convenient and easy to collect garbages as it is automatically collects trashes. So the third one is to minimize the costing of the device and as much as possible make use of scrap materials of good conditions. So we recommend it on making it a lot bigger and using scrap materials so it would be convenient and easy.